Hey family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Today I have a Lidl haul. They have a Lidl, and I'm not sure if they're in other parts of the country, but you know, they're similar to an Aldi. And I had a doctor's appointment early this morning, and so when I was done with that, I went to Lidl, and that was one of my tips. Shop as early as possible because I found some good deals. So let me show you some of the items that I purchased. I needed some onions, so I got a bag of red onions and a bag of yellow onions. Then I try to keep some ketchup. This was 92 cents. I'm not eating many chips these days, but you know, I just keep them, you know, hidden away just in case I get a craving for them. And I got plenty of pecans when I went to Sam's Club, so I found these. They had these beautiful walnuts for like $5.40, like $5.50, $5.49. So I got 2 bags of walnuts. And let's see, I got two things of peanut butter. Keep in stock. I've been like dipping into my Preps peanut butter. I needed some garlic because I like to make I'm making a veggie stock this year because, you know, I had a good report from my doctor, so I'm trying to keep it that way. The older we get, we have to be a little more gentle on our organs and on our bodies, so I'm trying to get things that are, you know, has low, you know, less phosphorus and that are, you know, better for our liver and our kidneys to digest. Got pears. They got some beautiful pears. This is the time of year for pears, plums, and of course sweet potatoes. These are lovely sweet potatoes. So some sweet potato pie. It's the time of year. You gotta go on and get it. Get it when you can now. What are these? English cucumbers. I like these so much. And then I got a box of organic spring mix. Okay, and let's see, I got 2. These were 85 cents. Just to be able to make a quick dessert. A graham cracker crust, 2 of those. Got some blueberries. Those are frozen. I have 2 sleeves of celery. I'm going to be eating more celery. Just, you know, celery, dip it in some hummus or something like that. You know, those are pretty good for your body. And so I'll have, like, you know, put some celery when I want a snack, a crunchy snack. That's what I'm going to do. And then I got 2 things of Crisco oil. You know, oil has been low, so I saw this Crisco. Got that. Apple cider vinegar. And then I got this apple pie filling. And apple pie filling. Then I got some, what is this? This is cherry pie filling. And I got 2 red peppers. Got 2 packs of these. I have to watch. I love tomatoes, but I have to stop using tomatoes. No one's told me this, but I think that, you know, could stuff with less. What is that? Tomatoes have, you know, an enzyme in there that, you know, is kind of rough on your kidneys, so I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to eat more red peppers. All right, and then I'm going to come around and I'll show you Guys, what else is going on? Okay, then over here, so that's everything I've hauled so far. Right here. Then I got 2 things of cream cheese. If I want to make a cheesecake, if I just want to use it, you know, with crackers. Then I got different cheeses here. Sauce, W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and then I got Genoa salami if I want to make a crudité, not a charcuterie board. And then I got these crackers. Their grapes didn't look that good, so if I decide to make a charcuterie board, I'll get some grapes if I find some good ones. And let's see, the deal of the day are these sausages. Now they used to be bigger, you know, that's shrinkflation, but they were reduced to $1.50, and the sell by date was tomorrow, so they want them sold by tomorrow. So they look good. $1.50 each. So I took all of the hot ones. So that was, you know, on my other tips video. It's like the people get in there early, and we get all those manager specials. And then, so that's everything today, guys. Just wanted to share that with you and to give you some inspiration on you know, things you can stock up on. You know, if they have them in the, y'all know every time I start talking, making a video, that phone has to ring. Okay, guys, so that's my haul from Lidl today, and I feel good about my purchases and got in there and got out and got everything I needed. So especially those sweet potatoes and the onions, and the celery is what I really went in there for. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And if you like content like this, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. You can subscribe, share, comment, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Alright, thank you, tastemakers. Anyone that subscribed to my channel is a tastemaker. Alright, bye, Mom. Guys, see you in my next video.